Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Webull Vega. We will walk through the key features that allow you to analyze options pricing and manage your investments effectively. First, let's start by logging into your Webull account. Once you are in, navigate to the options trading section by selecting the specific stock for which you want to analyze options. Next, locate the options chain for your chosen stock. Here, you will see various options contracts available for trading. To utilize Vega, you will need to understand that it measures the sensitivity of an option's price to changes in volatility. The higher the Vega, the more an option's price will be affected by changes in implied volatility. To view Vega, look for the Greek letters displayed alongside each options contract. These indicators reveal important information regarding options pricing. Specifically, pay attention to the Vega value associated with each contract, as it will help you assess how fluctuations in volatility might impact your options position. Finally, incorporate this insight into your trading strategy. If you expect volatility to increase, consider positions with higher Vega, as these options may provide greater profit potential. Conversely, if you anticipate lower volatility, be cautious with high Vega options, as they may lose value faster. By understanding and using Webull's Vega metric, you can make more informed decisions in your options trading.